exposing the real reason behind Microsoft account error 0x80190001 and how you can solve it in minutes. Let's get right into it. First, check for Windows updates. Head to Settings, then Update and Security, and make sure everything's current. Next, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter to let Windows fix itself. Still stuck? Try resetting the Microsoft Store cache. Just open Run with Windows key plus R, type wsrset.x, and press Enter. If you're using an app like Microsoft Store or Xbox, repair or reset it under Settings Apps. Make sure you're signed in with the same Microsoft account everywhere. Double-check at account.microsoft.com/security for any alerts. Now let's tackle system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run sfc/scanout to fix any corruption. Finally, reset your internet settings. Use netsh winsock reset and netsh int IP reset in Command Prompt. Then restart your PC. Try these fixes and say goodbye to that error. You've got this.